Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of BMW's most iconic 3 Series models, the legendary BMW E90. Let's explore its features, performance, and why it's still a favorite among car enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Video. Rolling footage of a BMW E90 driving on a scenic road. The BMW E90, part of the 5th generation of the 3 Series, was produced from 2005 to 2013. It replaced the E46 and brought a fresh design, advanced technology, and a blend of luxury and performance. It came in 4 variants of the sedan: E90, wagon, E91, coupe, E92, and convertible, E93. Video. Close-up shots of the exterior and interior of the E90. Starting with the design, the E90 features sharp, aggressive lines and the signature kidney grille that screams BMW. The headlights with angel IDRLs became an iconic look. Inside, the E90 offers a driver-focused cabin with premium materials, comfortable seating, and a clean layout. It was one of the first models to feature BMW's iDrive system, which controlled navigation, audio, and vehicle settings. Video. Under the hood and driving shots, the E90 came with a wide range of engines to suit different needs, from fuel-efficient 4-cylinder options like the 320i to powerful 6-cylinder engines like the 330i and the twin-turbocharged 335i. The 335i, with its N54 engine, is especially popular for its tuning potential. If you're looking for raw performance, the E90 M3 is powered by a 4.0 liters V8, delivering a thrilling 414 horsepower. Mechanic inspecting an E90 in a garage. Like any car, the E90 has its strengths and weaknesses. It's known for its smooth handling and responsive performance, but watch out for potential issues like water pump failures, oil leaks, and high-pressure fuel pump problems in the 335i. Regular maintenance is key to keeping this machine running like new. Video. Enthusiasts at a car meet with E90s. The E90 remains a popular choice for enthusiasts because of its perfect balance of luxury, performance, and affordability in the used car market. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a project car to modify, the E90 has something for everyone. Video. Slow-motion shots of the E90 with the sun setting in the background that wraps up our overview of the BMW E90. Are you a proud E90 owner, or are you considering getting one? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub, and hit the bell icon for more updates on your favorite cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.